Rescue logarithms. Overcoming the threat of flooding in small towns. In a small, remote town, there is an inventor named Sarah. Sarah is a passionate and curious young scientist. He is always looking for ways to solve problems and explore complex mathematical concepts. One day, Sarah heard about an application of logarithms that could help solve a big problem in their town. The problem is measuring water levels in rivers that often overflow due to heavy rain. Floods caused by this river often threaten the safety of city residents. Sarah realized that logarithms could help. He started learning about the concept of logarithms and how to use them. Logarithms are the inverse of exponents. In other words, if we have an exponential equation like 2x equals 1/6, then the base 2 logarithm of 16 is 4, which is written as log 2, 16, equals 4. Sarah took inspiration from her knowledge of these logarithms and decided to build a water level meter based on the principle of logarithms. He installed sensors in the river that can measure changes in water level over time. With the data collected by these sensors, Sarah uses logarithms to convert the raw data into graphs that can provide early warning of potential flooding. Through special software she developed, Sarah and her team were able to monitor changes in water levels more accurately. The results were extraordinary. With a system based on logarithms, they can provide early warning to city residents when water levels rise close to dangerous limits. City residents are better prepared and can take steps to protect themselves and their property. The small town became safer and better prepared to face the threat of flooding. Sarah received awards and recognition for her contribution in applying logarithms to solve problems that had been plaguing their city. Sarah's story is a real example of how mathematical knowledge, such as logarithms, can be applied in everyday life to solve complex problems and provide benefits to society. It also reminds us that mathematical knowledge is a powerful tool that can be used to improve our lives.